Bad chick, I could be a fantasy. I could tell you got big, big energy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me.
Hey girl, hey! Welcome back to my channel. It's Nail by Chris. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey! If you are new, hey boo, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, please, and thank you. Let's get into this iGel Beauty product review / unboxing per. Y'all, just looking at this lamp on this box makes me want it. Like, look how cute it is. I love it. So, like, let's get into the packaging because why I got a handle on it, I can literally walk around with it like it's a purse. But this is a Hybrid Pro 2.0 rechargeable lamp. It does come with a warranty card, y'all. So make sure y'all register y'all's lamp with the warranty card. Y'all see the features on the back. I've already been using my lamp. Actually, one of my coworkers has this lamp and I've been using hers, and it does cure all 5 fingers. It does not burn. You know how sometimes when you put your hand in the lamp and it burn a little bit? I don't know what it is. Like, I don't know. I be telling people, like, it's a chemical reaction. Like, I don't be knowing. I be thinking it's the lamps, though. But this lamp don't do it because I've been using, like I said, I've been using my coworkers. Here's the warranty card. Again, y'all, do not forget to register your lamp. Register your lamp. Any product that you get, all these products be $150, $200, $300. Register these products so if something happens to them or if they become defective, you can get it replaced. But anyways, look at this beauty. I'm gonna give y'all a second to just get into it. Like, look at it. Look how pretty it is. Oh my God, y'all. Y'all know I love pink. If I could be pink, I would be pink. But I'm not pink. But if I could be, I would be, okay? But anyways, it is so cute and it's very light. As you can see, it has like a plate at the bottom. It's a detachable plate. So basically, whenever you do your gel pedicures and you want to polish their toes, you could take this plate off. It has magnets at the bottom of it. It comes with, of course, the adapters. They have 2. It's like an extended adapter. I'm assuming like you could charge this lamp across the room if you wanted to, because look how long the cord is. Like, look how long it is. And then you have to attach it to a whole nother extended cord. Like, what? Like, dang. But that's good though, because I liked it. I liked it real bad. But yeah, y'all, so this is all it come with, really. But this is a really, 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 really good lamp, and we finna get into it.
I didn't say like it. I didn't spend time with it.
Because it's curing like it's supposed to on per. Give me your hand. Touch, 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 touch. That's what that gel lamp did. Y'all see that? Y'all see that?